comfort zone was calling, but it kept me standing small.
Breaking free from limits that I built inside my mind.
Ready for a change, leaving yesterday behind.
Step out of the shadows,
challenge what I know.
Excellence is waiting.
Time to let it show.
Rise up, break through the ceiling.
Reset your heart and soul.
Refocus on the vision
that makes you whole.
Rise,
reset,
refocus.
This is how we grow.
From the inside out now.
Let your
integrity and faith guide every step I take. Family and service for the future that we make.
40 years of wisdom lighting up the path ahead.